is a drink for my life.
For me, STEAM is interest in entrepreneurship.
Finding myself, making and building the things which is not only good for me but also for the society and for the people I love.
STEAM for me, having hands-on experience on new technologies and experience them.
STEAM for me is problem solving, finding solutions for problems we face in our day-to-day lives.
STEAM for me is collaborating art and management with technology in this techy world.
STEAM for me is inspiring myself and encouraging all to be change makers.
STEAM for me is inspiring innovators and young women entrepreneurs.